session.
Now I understand all the way to this exercise.
Okay, let me ask you again, Jamila. Jamila, try to use the adjective amazing
Okay.
in one sentence with one of with one of these words.
Okay. I can. Okay.
Mm.
Skydiving is a such amazing experience. It's
Yeah,
such amazing.
such what? Amazing experience?
Amazing.
An
No,
amazing.
such an amazing experience.
Yes, thank you so much. Now I
Hmm.
need you to huh? Who is that?
It's my sister.
Ah, what did she say?
She say if I will finish the course.
Yeah, wait, only for 5 minutes. You
Yes,
have to
yes.
wait, please. Okay.
Yes.
Jamila, wait. Now I need you to use fool in one example using one of these words.
Teacher, what's the meaning of fool?
Fool is idiot.
What?
Idiot.
Idiot يعني غبي?
Exactly. The opposite of smart.
Okay, fool. This boy is so full.
What?
This boy is so full.
Okay. Jamila, is fool a noun or an adjective?
Adjective.
It is a noun.
Oh, okay.
Wait, it is an adjective, fool. Okay, wait. Yes, thank you so much. Can you say the example again?
I repeat the sentence.
Yeah, the example.
This boy is so full.
Okay, thank you so much. Now use idiot.
Idiot, not it's a noun.
It's a noun, thank you. Now I have to
Isn't?
say what?
Okay.
Exactly, isn't it?
For example, this way is such an idiot way to talk, for example, or
No, idiot
to do
way.
something.
Now, idiot is an adjective, but idiot here is a noun. If you want to say idiot way, so this is an
Yes.
adjective. Okay, this is wrong. Okay.
It is such an idiot.
Such an idiot. Thank you so much. Okay. Such an idiot. Okay. One final. Wait, I think I didn't ask. Right, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Now, right, it's your turn. Now I need you to use well-known in a certain example. Well-known using one of these words.
Well known. It was it was such a well-known well-known هي شو بتعني؟
Well-known. Well-known is, as you are saying, famous. Famous. Okay. Right. Use famous and a certain example with one of these words.
Famous adjective. Adjective. That was such, or that was so famous people.
Okay, wait. I need you to use famous alone without a noun.
It was famous. It was so famous.
Yeah, thank you so much. Now, what if I want to say famous person? Can you give me another example with famous person?
Now it was such a famous person.
Thank you so much. This is it, exactly. So this is it, guys. This is the exact usage of so, such, such a, such an, so many, so much, so little, or so few. Here, so few, and here, so little. So please be careful because sometimes they are little confusing. Okay, this is the end. And I think now we have to start with Unit 10 and we have to discuss the passive voice because we only have 10 minutes and we don't have enough time to explain the passive voice. I suggest to leave it to the next class. The passive voice is one of the most important lessons in level 4. So please, I need you to be careful. And because I need more than 10 minutes to explain this lesson, I suggest to leave it to the next class just to be able to fully understand this lesson. Okay?
Okay.
So if you have any,
Okay, thank you, teacher.
okay, any questions, guys?
No,
question.
thank you.
Okay, thank you for coming. And yes, Jamila.
هلا قبل شوي إنه حدا سألك شيء إنه خصو إنه إذا هيدا noun singular or not إنه إذا singular or plural هيدا الشيء بيأثر على إنه أي word ننقي.
No, no. If it is singular, you have to use the indefinite articles A or N.
Only for the articles يعني.
This is it. If it is plural, don't use the indefinite articles A or N. This is it. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now, because I said so much, because much is what? As if I'm saying what? Thank you very much. Okay? So this is so. I can say thank you very much and thank you so much.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much and have a nice night.
Welcome.
Bye 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 bye.